Hello friends and viewers. This is Rimjim welcoming you on my virtual platform Rimjim Vlog Stories on YouTube. Friends, hope you all are fine and doing well. First of all, I will give you a big thanks for following my channel. And it's a great honor to share all my thoughts and views on different products over this YouTube channel. So friends, unlike other days, today's video will be a different one as I will be sharing a review and information about a contact lens solution from Bausch & Lomb. Generally, most people use contact lens regularly according to their needs. And it's our duty to clean these contact lenses after wearing them with proper solution. So Renew's triple disinfection property kills 99.9% of germs in just only 4 hours. So friends, let me tell you that I have high negative eye power for last 10 years. So I am using specs, and along with that I use a pair of contact lenses from the very beginning of my adulthood. So for cleaning and disinfecting the contact lens properly, I use this Renew solution, and it is one of the topmost brand in optical industry for disinfecting contact lenses. So guys, hope you can have the clear view of this plastic container of the contact lens solution Renew from Bausch & Lomb, on which I will give you detailed information. For that, please check the video till the end. Friends, eyes are the sensitive organs of all other organs of our body. So I should be taken proper care if we use contact lenses on a regular basis. Contact lens needs to breathe in sufficient solution. So contact lens need to be rinsed and cleaned properly. So contact lens solutions are saline in nature with cleaning agents. And as it says that it goes beyond clean. It's a gentle cleaner and an excellent disinfectant along with a good day comfort agent. So people who uses contact lens for more than 14 to 16 hours can definitely try out this Renew solution. It's really and highly recommendable for all contact lens users. Friends, I'm extremely sorry that I don't have the cardboard packaging of this container right now with me. I'm extremely sorry for that, but I can share all the details written over the sticker. See, you can check this white sticker given on this body. It says that it is imported and marketed by Bausch & Lomb India Private Limited from Gurugram, and the price of this product is ₹500, and the quantity you will be getting is 355 ml of the solution. And one important thing and major thing is, before buying this product from any shop, please check the expiry date of this product, because if you use out of warranty, out of expiry product, it will cause huge harm to your eyes. Please do check always. And here on my bottle it's written 2021-10. Last month of using this contact lens solution is October of this year. Friends, how to use this contact lens along with this contact lens solution, are written on the back side of the container. So I am reading all the 3 steps given here. First step is place at least 3 drops of Renew Fresh multipurpose solution on each side of lens surface and gently rub for 20 seconds. And step 2 is thoroughly rinse each side of the lens for 5 seconds with Renew Fresh multipurpose solution. And then step 3, place clean contact lenses in the lens case and fill with Renew Fresh multipurpose solution. Okay, so I will be showing you the whole process with my contact lens here. Friends, this is the contact lens I am having with me. This is from Bausch & Lomb. This is Hydra lenses from Bausch & Lomb. So first I am taking one lens on my palm and putting 3 drops of Renew Fresh multipurpose solution over the lenses and rinse it for 5 seconds so that all the dirt particles comes out from the lenses. Okay, and doing the same thing on the other side as well. Okay, you have to do this for at least 5 to 10 seconds so that all the particles of dirt come out and the lens get properly cleaned. Now doing the same thing with other lens. Again, properly rinsing and cleaning it with one of my fingers. So it's clean now. Now I have to put this in the contact lens boxes. Now I am pouring the fresh solution here in the 2 containers. I mean 2 mouths of the containers. This is the left eye lens and this is the right eye lens. So now closing the jars. This is the way you should clean your contact lens with Renew solution. So friends who are using specs and want to wear contact lenses in any occasion, you can buy Bausch & Lomb contact lenses along with Bausch & Lomb Renew contact lens solution. This is a very good solution. So this is highly recommendable for you all who want to buy contact lenses. So guys, this video will be ending here, and if you like this video, please do share and comment in the description box below. So till then, please take care of yourself and do subscribe my channel as well. Tata, bye.